I'm going to show you the fastest and cheapest way for your agents to use iMessage. With Inkbox, you won't need any extra accounts or API keys, and the setup will literally take you 1 minute. Inkbox is the identity platform that gives agents their own email, phone number, persistent internet address, and now access to iMessage. I'll show you how to do this with the Hermes agent, but you can do this with OpenClaw, Codex, Claude Code, or any other agent harness. Here is the Hermes Inkbox plugin I'll be using. After I install the plugin, I can run the wizard to provision my agent's identity. Let's call this agent Inkbox iMessage Demo Agent. I get this email with the verification code I'll need to claim the agent. For now, I'll skip giving this agent its own dedicated phone number for SMS and phone calls, but I will enable iMessage. Here we get the instructions on how to connect to my agent. I need to send the connect command to the Inkbox iMessage router. This will assign an iMessage number for my connection to the agent. Every user that needs to communicate with your agent through iMessage should do this step. I get my agent's contact card, which I'll save, and I'll send it the first message. Now that the setup is done, I'll reset the Hermes gateway and start testing out the connection. Hi, who are you? Great, looks like the agent's all connected to iMessage. I also wanted to save my contact so it knows who I am in future conversations. You can also see all of your agent's iMessage conversations through the Inkbox console. Just make sure you sign in with the same email you used to verify your agent. Just like that, you can use Inkbox to iMessage your agents without needing extra accounts or API keys. The setup took 1 minute, so go try it now. All the links to get started are in the description.